company. Tools are crowded, freeze a party coming. Move around like the first rush when the school.
I'm just calling to say
Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel Fitness Food Biker. Today we are in Hyderabad. Of course we will be in Hyderabad. This is our local place where we stay. Today I have decided to a review on my beautiful machine Classic 350cc. I think I am a right person to do a review on this motorcycle because I am having a 7 years experience on this machine. So I am reviewing on this. Yeah, coming to the story how it has been started. It had been started like 7 years back, where I don't want this Classic 350 and I asked my father to get me a Duke 200 or KTM RC 200, but he has no plans to get me the KTM missions because he's scared, because I'm only the one son, which I'm not having any siblings, and that's the other part. And the other part is the KTM is having lots of power, as all you youngsters know that. So he hesitated to give me because I'm not going to be in the hometown, so he's scared. And he gave me an option to take Royal Enfield 350 or else take an Activa and go back to Chennai. Yeah, Chennai is my place, which has been for 7 years for my education, and that's a ton of memorable journey for me. So coming to the 350, we have bought this on July 14, I guess, in 2014. This 7 years, the machine is absolute gorgeous. It never ever gave me a trouble technically. I have replaced the battery only once. Yeah, so you need to change the battery at least 3-4 years, but I have changed after 5 years I guess. So we have getting a decent battery power on the stock as well. But coming to this, I have sold it, guys. I have sold it to one of my close friend recently because I'm upgrading to a bigger cc motorcycle. Yeah, something I felt I'm missing the power in this. This produces like 21 bhp, not even 21, I think 19.8 and 21 torque. Yeah, so this machine can't go above 100 or 110 To be precise, it's 110. Yeah, forget about the 110. If you go above 80, this machine going to show you hell with lots of vibration. Yeah, coming to the part which I sold, I have sold it to one of my dear friend brother. So I was not able to sell this machine. I once sold it actually, but I bought it back because I didn't feel good missing this machine. But foolishness, if I am getting my new motorcycle, I cannot keep this in my garage. I cannot see it sitting alone, idle and getting rust. That's useless, I felt. So I have sold it to my friend, one of my good friend, his brother to me. So I can at least see the motorcycle and take it for a ride whenever I feel. This machine is having experience like 7 years with me, so it's more than a motorcycle. It never troubled me and I never fell down from this motorcycle. And the twist which I am going to sell, the twist is, you guys know I am going to be 31 years in August. Yeah, this August 16th. I have learned this motorcycle in 2014 before I'm buying. Yeah, that is my two-wheeler experience. Till 2014, I don't know how to ride a bike. Yeah, I've been always with the video games and playing cricket at my home, so I never had a craze about riding motorcycles or bikes. So yeah, apart from that, coming to the youngsters, I want to advise, if you are looking for a bike which is going to give a ton power, this is not a bike, because people are very confused to take this 350cc considering this, because this is 350cc, why it's not going to go like 140, 150. I can ride it like a monster in the high speed. That's wrong. This is a machine which cruises and good at 70, 80, and it means for highway riding and long distances, not for some drag races or something. So keep in mind that, keep that in mind, guys. Yeah, that's my small advice, so don't get confused. So here today we are riding where? That's the question, right? So we are going to the Somajigada Raj Bhavan Royal Enfield showroom to know the update about my new machine, which have made booking like few days, I think like 2 months it had been. Oh man, the bookings are crazy. So yeah, I am not going to reveal what I am going to take. Yeah, I am very much excited and my anxiety levels are in peaks. I just cannot wait, and trust me, like a kid, I am not sleeping from many days. I am losing my sleep cycle and I cannot help it until I get my new bike in my hands. Oh man, it's like I'm like getting a bike into the kid hands. I can't wait. How I waited my first bike, more than that I'm waiting for my new upgrade of my second motorcycle. The friends of me and relatives who knows me, they know how much it means to me. Yeah, you cannot see the speedometer. I did it for a purpose, because this machine not going to pull more and more, but the adrenaline and the rush which you feel, really, trust me guys, on a bullet you're going to miss on other missions, that I can assure and promise you. So I just don't want to see the speedometer, how much it's doing and all. Of course it doesn't do more than 100, and in the cities I'll be doing like 60, 70s, not much than that. Yeah, so It's a heavy motorcycle, but it's nimble. You can filter the bike in traffic very good. So my office is somewhere in the Madhapur, and I used to ride it like every day from Begumpet to the hectic traffic. You know how the traffic's in Hyderabad, right? So still, being a higher weight side, heavy motorcycle, you cannot feel it. So right now we are crossing Paradise and reaching Begumpet. So little more distance we need to go to Somajigada. So yeah, that's it guys. This is my experience with this motorcycle 350. The journey was beautiful, and I'm done. I'm not like done with the feelings on this bike, but I'm done cruising enough. So I want something with the power and torque more, because you cannot keep a machine for long. I think I kept it for 7 years. You can agree with me guys. So time to upgrade to another beast. So yeah, stay tuned. We will be continuing the vlog from Somajigada Royal Enfield showroom. Yeah, alright.
Enjoy the ride, got some pillows in the Chevy. Slide a dot, lay low, hitting heavy. Take your time, let me know when you're ready. Couple months I've been messing with this steady. Open for plans tonight. Lost in the afterglow. Oh girl, your love for me keeps calling me, so I'm calling you.
What's up guys, hope you enjoyed the hyperlapse clip for 30 seconds I guess. So we are almost reaching to the Somajigada showroom. The thing why we have booked here is I almost traveled from Uppal in the vlog, right? So I made a wild distance, but the reason I didn't like many Royal Enfield showrooms, the way they handle the customers. They are quite different while booking and after the booking, how they react to the customers. So we all need the respect, and respect is matter for everyone. So even it's something like 100cc 1000cc doesn't matter. Showroom guys should respect the customer and value it. So I believe as I respect others, I need the respect back. That's simple. Everyone needs the respect. So we need to take a U-turn here. I think we almost reached. I remember something KFC of Somajigada to take a U-turn. So let me check where we can turn and make a U-turn. And trust me guys, these Somajigada guys are very lovely. They receive the customers with bottom of the heart, and I feel that they have good response towards all the customers, and I trust in Google reviews, not on just mouth by words by others. So I have reached here by mouth by words and also the Google reviews, and I have spoke to a guy called Shiva Reddy, and I like this attitude towards the customer. Not only me, I had a quality check on him, and his report is good. And my uncle also advised, as he worked in Raj Bhavan showroom nearby in the CM camp office. So we made a little difference and making max efforts to get the delivered soon. So let's check when we are going to get our model. I don't want to reveal anything about my bike right now because you guys need to wait, and I'm excited and my anxiety levels are at the peak. So fingers crossed. So we will be getting the update from Shiva Reddy from Somajigada showroom, and we almost reached here. So I will be giving the update guys. So what's going in the showroom and what update we will be getting. Yep, I will be getting back to you guys. Thank you. Stay tuned. Don't skip. Okay.
One's a company, two's a crowd, three's a party coming, move around like fresh when the school is out, when the booze is up, when the sun is down. Enjoy the ride, got some pillows in the Chevy. Just like a darling, low hitting heavy. Take your time, let me know when you're ready. Couple months I've been messing with this steady. Open for plans tonight. Lost in the afterglow. Oh, girl, your love for me keeps calling me, so I'm calling you. Lord, give me life to find. I long for your company. Oh, girl, your love for me is a part of me, my biology. Yeah, yeah,
Guys, we have already reached to Rajbhavan, and there is a guy Shiva Reddy which I've already explained about. So we had a word with him and as well as manager of the branch, and they have assured we will be getting a bike delivery in 1 week to 10 days. So let's hope they're going to deliver, and stay tuned.
It won't be over till the fat lady sings. I owe you a trip, cause me and you, we got a thing. My sunshine state, hair curly like a string. Just a big ol' ooh, smile, that's about all you gotta bring. So enjoy the ride, got some pillows in the Chevy. Just like a darling, low hitting heavy. Take your time, let me know when you're ready. Couple months I've been messing with this steady. Open for
Guys, we have Tyson here, which anybody want any accessories from the showroom in Rajbhavan, Somajgoda branch, Royal Enfield, contact Tyson. Let's have a word with Tyson. बोलो जी.
गाड़ी की एक्स्ट्रा फिटिंग देंगे।
हाँ, गाड़ी का एक्स्ट्रा फिटिंग और क्या क्या मिलते हैं, राइडिंग जैकेट्स.
गाड़ी के पार्ट्स मिलते हैं यहाँ पर अभी अपना, जैसा कि साइलेंसर वगैरह, फुटरेस्ट, लेग गार्ड, विंडशील्ड, हेडलाइट के जो ऊपर आता,
अच्छा ठीक है.
और जैकेट्स, शूज वगैरह मिलते हैं, हेलमेट्स,
सो सब स्टॉक में है.
सब स्टॉक में है अपने।
GT इंटरसेप्टर
जीटी इंटरसेप्टर भी मिल जाता है।
अच्छा, सब एक्सेसरीज पार्ट मिलते हैं,
Accessories
विंडशील्ड
part
के,
भी मिलते
विंडशील्ड से कॉल सिंगल सीट तक.
सिंगल सीट भी मिलता,
ठीक है.
और अपना जैसा कि हेडलाइट ग्रिल, इंडिकेटर्स ग्रिल, वो सब एक्स्ट्रा फिटिंग के जो जो पार्ट्स रहते हैं मिल जाते हैं, आप अवेलेबल।
अच्छा,
अगर
बहुत
होना है
शुक्रिया.
तो आ जा सकते हैं कभी।
ठीक है भाई, ठीक है. थैंक यू,
ठीक है.
थैंक यू टाइसन.
plans tonight. Lost in the afterglow. Oh, girl, your love for me keeps calling me, so I'm calling you. Lord, give me life to find.
Guys, hope everyone has enjoyed the video. Please like, share, subscribe, and please support our channel Fitness Food Biker. Take care guys, see ya.